In today's Tiny Tidy, let's transform under my kitchen sink from this to this. Hello friends, it is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Today I am going to clean under my kitchen sink. I am going to clean my kitchen one cabinet and one drawer at a time. So today I am just going to focus on under the sink. I am not sure if I talked about this in any previous videos. I don't think so. When we finished up this kitchen, when we were doing our renovations, it was right about the time that Hurricane Helene came through. So we were without power for a while and we just kind of put things different places. So I need to go through all the cabinets and drawers and I need to clean it out and I need to reevaluate to see how things are working, see if I need to move anything around. So today we are just under the kitchen sink, and I am also going to store my gloves, and I just wanted to show you this really quickly before I show you how it looks under the sink right now. I think I've done this before, maybe showed you guys before, but I just take a command hook. I have one that's pretty in my bathroom. This one's just a plain command hook, and I put the little piece on it that it comes with, and I hang it to the back of the door where I'm going to store my cleaning supplies. And then I take a binder clip. Binder clip looks like this. And I just clip it onto my cleaning gloves. And then I can fold it down and then I can just hang the gloves on here. And I absolutely love that because it allows a place for the gloves to dry if they're wet. It's easy to just pop open the cabinet that your cleaning supplies are in and grab a pair of gloves if you need them. This is how I always store all of my gloves. I saw this on Pinterest years and years ago, and it's something I have done ever since. So I did want to make sure to share that tip with you because I need to put those I need to hang up my cleaning gloves in here today whenever I do clean under the kitchen sink. As always, Tiny Tidies are put together by my sweet friend Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. I'm going to link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist for lots of homemaking motivation in my description box below. So let's do one cabinet today. Let's look and see what we are going to start with. Oops. Okay. Sorry, Lily was in the way. Okay, so this is what we are starting with. It's not terrible. Honestly, it's not terrible at all. And I found this Lazy Susan that I did not have room for in another place. And I put it down here. And I really like this with my cleaning supplies on that. So I'm going to reuse that. I just need to really tidy up down here. So basically that's all I'm going to do is just to make sure I do not have anything that's expired that I need to throw away and just really tidy up. So let's get that done. Also, as you guys are watching this, I will be getting an echo on my heart. So if you remember when you see this, please send lots of well wishes and positive vibes, thoughts and prayers my way.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fitted me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin
Okay, before I put everything back in, I do want to go through everything, make sure I do not have anything to declutter, make sure that I do not have anything that needs to be stored in another place or something that just needs to be thrown away. So let's just quickly go over this. I have my gloves, my little thing is hanging up. I just need to let it sit for a little bit and then I will hang up my gloves. So I'm gonna put those over to the side. By the way, I do have a towel in the floor. So hold on. See my towel? So all of my stuff is sitting on the towel. I have some dishwashing soap, my favorite scent, so I will definitely keep that. I have some Lysol. I like to use this in here if I ever want to wipe my groceries down, so that will go back in. I have these two sponges. This one actually, I am going to throw this one away, and I'm going to hold on to this one. So I'm gonna put this in a throwaway pile. This actually goes in my sink, but I do not use it, so I just store it under the sink. I have two of these wipes and I use those to wipe things down, so I will put those back. I have my dishwasher pods. I have this Caldrea countertop spray. Love the way it smells. I will put that back. Let me sit on the floor. Sorry. I have my stainless steel cleaner. I like to keep that in here in the kitchen because I use it only in here. So I'll put that back. This is that Caldrea. It's the sea salt scent. And you can like spray it on your couch, your sofa, just anywhere you need to like a nice clean smell. Actually, I think I'm going to store this in my cleaning closet. So I'm going to put this in a pile to relocate. Some Caldrea hand soap. It's just a refill, so I'll put that back under the sink. I have some baking soda. I think I will put this with my other cleaning supplies as well. I don't think I need to necessarily keep this in the kitchen. I have this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleaner. This is to clean the kitchen sink with, so I will keep that in here. I have this Cascade thing that came with my dishwasher. I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to throw this away. I have a glass cooktop cleaner and I use that in here, so I will put that back. I have a container of vinegar water, which I use to clean a lot, and I think I'm going to leave that in here because I love to use this when I am wiping down the refrigerator each week. I have some Mr. Clean floor cleaner. I will leave this in here as well. I have this extra bottle and I have not made a cleaner to go in it yet, so I'm going to put this in my cleaning closet as well. I just do not see a reason to store it in here in the kitchen and take up valuable space in here. I have this little clear jar, and inside I have a variety of brushes that I can use to get in those hard to reach places, just somewhere where I need a little extra brush. Actually, if you are ever in the Dollar Tree and you see like little paintbrushes like this, these do really well to get down in like little, like in your faucet, little hard to reach places. So I'm going to keep these. I think this toothbrush has been in here for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and throw that one away. So I will replace the toothbrush, and then I just have a few paintbrushes and then this. So I will put this back inside. I will put this back under the sink. This is a quartz countertop cleaner. It is empty, so I'm going to go ahead, or almost empty, but it is empty enough that I'm going to go ahead and throw this one away because I have an extra one. So I'm going to go ahead and start using this one. I have a cooktop spray, so I'm going to store that in here. I have another soap refill, dishwashing soap, another dishwashing soap refill, and some hand soap refills. Then I have this little sponge holder, and inside it, or on it, I have this little sharp edge thing that you can use to clean the glass stovetop. And then I have this to clean my glass stovetop. I guess I will put it back on this, but I do need to clean this before I put it in. So I'm going to kind of lay that to the side. I have dishwasher disposal little cleaners, so I will keep those. And then I have a roll of trash bags for the trash cans in here, so I will be returning that. And that's it. So let's put all this stuff back into the cabinet.
Again, we've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I have my cleaning products and my trash bags on this little Lazy Susan. I have my garbage disposal cleaner back behind it because I rarely use it. I have my little sponge here at the front. I have my stovetop cleaning stuff right here. I have brushes way in the back because I rarely use them. I have my refills behind my dishwashing pods because I use these every day, and I refill my soap about once a week or every other week. And then right here I have my gloves hanging, and everything looks nice and neat.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
So I am actually going to leave you guys today with an extra bonus teeny tiny tidy. This weekend I got this little table and plant for my dining room for in the corner. I don't know if you remember or not, but I had some candles here. So I took the candles out and I replaced it with this table, and I thought that I would just include that in here as well. And I also want to show you the arrangement that I made for the dining room table and my new rug in here. So I do want to do that at the end as well. But before I do my additional little bonus teeny tidy, I just want to take a minute to wish you guys all a fantastic day. Remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. In the comments if you tidied anything along with me. And I love you guys. Bye-bye.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get...
So this is the little Easter arrangement that I made for my table. It has two little bunnies. It's a bowl. I got it at Home Goods, and I put some Spanish moss in it. Then I have two little bunnies, and I have some carrots stuck in each side. And then in it, I just put an orchid. And I ended up with this rug by mistake. I actually ordered the wrong size for my bedroom, and instead of returning it, I have wanted a rug for under my dining room table, so now I have a nice neutral rug.
Settled in our ways, no matter how hard we try.